48 hours, one random object.
Alsjeblieft, Jens heeft getrokken.
Yeah. Hey. And I bought him a lightbox for selecting slides.
Oh my god.
Oh, lightbox.
Oh wow.
Een theemaker, right? Bekend van Wallace & Gromit.
Meccano.
Dat was mijn idee.
Een racebaan. Feel the power. Thanks.
En hoe dit natuurlijk straks op YouTube gebruiken.
Alleen als het lukt, anders dan gooi ik alles weg.
Oh. Het is een mini appeltjes.
Straight away, everyone starts taking their object apart and brainstorming what to do with it. The challenge has begun, but I'm in the middle of moving houses. Boxes everywhere, no internet, no decent bed, no curtains. But eventually I made it. Marijn got a voltage meter.
Iets met golfjes.
Wouter is building a diorama.
En dat is allemaal als print sinds gisteravond.
Check out this cool technique to use static electricity to apply grass to a miniature. Sander and Hanna are participating together in the challenge. How romantic. Jacoba is building a book nook with a Pepper's ghost inside. And Martin received a vortex and wants to build a Christmas ornament with it. Jan-Rien got a central heating cover and wants to make an airsoft knife holder with it. Marijke is building a delightful sculpture. But the lightbox that I got in is still sitting there untouched. Great question, Jolien. My plan is to make a simple track from 6 pieces. Each piece will represent a location where I can be. The track will be connected to my phone tracker and mounted on the wall, so my girlfriend can always look at the sculpture to see where I am. First technical challenge is determining where the race car actually is. My idea is to use magnetic sensors to detect a magnet on the bottom of the race car. This type of sensor is called a reed sensor. However, I found it a bit unreliable. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I couldn't get it to work reliably. I'm switching to a Hall sensor, but this one didn't work at all. Turned out I was using a virtual wire. You gotta love those DuPont wires. I would love some advice on where to get good quality DuPont stuff. With this bug out of the way, it works. I can detect the car through the track, but not super reliably though. The second big challenge is making the racetrack work on the wall. I'm adding another big magnet to improve the gripping force and the sensor reliability. But it short-circuited the track.
Allemaal vonken.
I'm not even sure I want to run something like this 24/7 unsupervised. So I'm pivoting into a new direction. Kinetic sculpture time, baby. I'm thinking one big loop and letting a car drive in it infinitely. I'm wiring the rail straight onto the car. Now I can control the race car with the remote, even when it's not on the track. I tried using Coke cans as bearings, but this didn't work very well. I'm feeling confident about the idea though. That's why I start gluing stuff together. And then it hit me. Maybe I can drive this thing with a reverse race car. Time for a quick word about our sponsor, PCBWay. Right now they're running a huge promotion where you can get 10 PCBs for only $5. Make sure you don't miss it. Just go to their website, click the promotion and fill in your specifications to get those sweet PCBs for a good price. Thanks for sponsoring this video, PCBWay. For the frame, I decided to use track parts. Gives a really cool aesthetic. I shopped around for some parts in the makerspace, and then it was time to glue the car into position. Time to call it a day. Only 5 hours left. Everyone is making great progress on their projects. I could have used this time to make my kinetic sculpture into a smart display for my location, but I was still processing the move and decided to keep it clean and simple. Wouldn't it be cool if the second car was just driving along in the bottom of the loop? At first I couldn't get the sculpture to work.
Hij rijdt er hard, ja.
Nee, volgens mij niet. Nou, dat zie ik dus helemaal niet, hè? Bedankt. Hey.
I like making stuff with the community around me. It's more fun that way. I removed the spring from the remote for hands-free operation. And it's a wrap. Let's look at the results. In it, tried to make a slide with a moving picture in it, but one weekend wasn't enough time.
En dit is het resultaat. Het is een soort kinetic sculpture. Of noem het een reverse racetrack. Ik word er zelf nog wel nostalgisch van, omdat het, ja, die racebaan als kind had ik dit. Nu is het zoveel later en het was eigenlijk wel heel leuk om te leren begrijpen wat er allemaal in zit, om het eens uit elkaar te halen. En ja, om het dus te hacken en er een mooie sculptuur van te bouwen.
Thanks for watching this video. I want to thank everyone at my makerspace, my patron LowXYNova, and my girlfriend, parents and family for always believing in me. See you in the next video.